Danny, I want my vlog. And the wife is opening her birthday gift that she's been looking for. Put some of her hobby stuff in it. So we're going to take a look. We're unboxing it and see if it is going to do everything she's hoping it to do. She's looking at the metal stamping art here. And I got this at Harbor Freight. So, as we know, you get stuff from Harbor Freight, a lot of time it's damaged, so you're gonna have to take it back. So let's see how we get away with this.
That looks alright.
Okay, let me grab them. Yes. Go this way.
Easy.
Go to that.
Okay. That's why I wanted to look at it.
Oh, wow.
That's why I wanted to look at it.
Yep. Yeah, they get thrown around pretty good. You gotta... Yep.
I knew it. That's why I wanted to look at it before we...
I know. Well, it's just...
No, I'm just saying.
Well, that bites. Oh.
This is broken.
Yeah, little hinges. Hinges are broken.
This is broken. I don't even want it now.
Okay. Cracked here. Stuff's coming from China, so small boat from. They're gonna do what you need though. So yeah, we got a crack here. Another crack here. Mismatch. Well, that bites, so it's really a good idea to check it. You see these line up. This is unlined here. Crack. See the difference in the size of those. Well, darn it. Everything else got to go back. Jesus. Now you buy it, you just, expecting it to be in good shape when you get it, and it's not. Oh man. Unfortunately, let me close this one. Other than that, I guess it's what you want, right? Other than damaged. Right?
Yeah, I don't think we're going to find it not damaged. I'm ready to just say screw it and go back to Hobby Lobby.
But they didn't have anything, right?
No, but I'll just pay for something else that I know isn't going to be a $20 $20 in gas to return it.
I know.
It's gonna cost $20 to return this.
And that's our thing. Well, usually they give us the discount, but
until they have themselves a little stupid fit like they did yesterday.
yeah, you know, customer service. Okay, so
I can't even get it back in the frickin' box. There we go. Give me that.
all right, so next ride. She cleaned her room all up and made sure she had room to put what she wanted on it. It's a nice it's a nice cabinet. It's just, you know, you got to be able to get it so it's not damaged when you buy it. So anyway, well, this will be a continuation when we get her another one. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, we're coming back. We're finishing up from being here great, and we now have the new one, and we inspected it before we walked out the door, and it's in perfect condition.
Further.
Okay. Right.
But once you do this,
It locks it down and you got two key access, one for the bottom and then one for the top. That's interesting. So you want to make sure you don't lose the keys.
oh, I won't lose them. I don't lose keys. But there's two. Two.
All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next in Crosby's Vlogs.